For the last few years, I've commissioned a solo every year for the Blessing of the Animal Service. And this year, it's a duet, actually, and it was written by Phil Marsh, our guitarist and singer today. And the name of the song is Fly Away Sea Turtle. Fly away, sea turtle, glide on currents of the sea. Fly away, sea turtle, be safe and be free. The dangers you face are many, from pollution and the greed of man, and predators from the moment you hatch. Go safely if you can. Oh, St. Francis, to every creature a loving friend, to every bird, fish and animal. St. Francis, can you teach us the plan? To the pets we love and cherish, the parrots, the dogs and cats, to the eagles and the whales and the harbor seals, the lemurs, the lynx, even rats.
Even rats?
Oh, St. Francis, to every creature a loving friend, to every bird, fish and animal. St. Francis, can you teach us the plan? Live today, all creatures, in the air, the sea, and land. We realize that the circle of life can be hard to understand. Oh, St. Francis, to every creature a loving friend, to every bird, fish and animal. St. Francis, can you teach us the plan? Fly away, sea turtle, glide on currents of the sea. Fly away, sea turtle, be safe and be free. All animals be safe